Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sharpen the color of your video on CapCut. So this one is pretty easy. So after you add the clip to CapCut, you just need to head to adjust and use the settings. So for the brightness, increase it to 10. Then click on the contrast, increase it to 15. And for the saturation, increase it to 45. And lower the exposure to -5. Lastly, click on a sharpen and increase it to around 80. And after this, you are done and your video will look like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on a thanks. Bye.